Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can rate the Clubcard Tesco application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the Maybe Needed section, click on the Send Feedback button. And then click on the Rate the Application button. And for me, it took me to the App Store, where if you scroll down, you will find a chart where you can give them the rating. So if you want to give them 5 star, then just click on that, and then the feedback is sent. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.